Hi everyone, as promised, this is going to be the video for Maybelline's Lip Studio Python Metallic Lip Kits. So these retail at Ulta for $9.99 and right now are buy one get one half off. There are 8 total shade duos, all of which I will show you in this video, and I will insert pictures of the colors applied to the lips. So what these are, they are duos that have a lip color, and then there is a metallic powder that you are supposed to pat on top for a metallic effect. The lip colors themselves are supposed to be super saturated, and the metallic powders are supposed to have a chromatic color and high metallic shine. As always, please check the description box below if you want to see larger photos of the way that the base lip colors look and of how the metallic finish looks applied on top. And I will also put a review in there after testing these for a full day. The link to the blog sale is always also in the description box below. Alright, I hope you are subscribed to the channel, and let's get looking at the Maybelline Python Metallic Lip Kits. So this first duo is 05 Passionate, number 10 Piercing, 15 Venomous, 20 Wild, 25 Valiant, 30 Provoked, 35 Snakebite, and 40 Untamed. Alright, we're going to first swatch the lip color in Passionate. It is this strong red. I'm going to do 2 swatches, one so that you can see what the color looks like, and then I'll use the second swatch to pat over the metallic powder. Okay, so this powder is like a deeper maroon type of shade, and it feels pillowy to the touch, almost like a ColourPop eyeshadow formula. Next up is the lip color from the duo Piercing. So this is a like charcoal gray color. And you have this metallic silver shade. Third, we have Venomous, which is this deep yet bright blue. And this powder is more of a duochromed shade, like a smoky shade and a green flash. Applied on top of the lip color, say like a bluish green flash, with a hint of like smoky gold. And then we have Wild, which is this bright neon pink. And on top of that, we have a warm gold. Okay, so here are the shades side by side, one with just the base, and then the second swatch with the metallic powder applied on top. Next, we're swatching the shades from Valiant, and this is a bright violet. And on top we have another duochrome shade. It's pretty similar to that one from Venomous. This one is a little less gold though. And on top it flashes blue and brown. Next we have Provoked, which is a medium nudie shade. And on top we have a deep champagne. And then we have Snakebite, which is this bright fern green. And on top is this very yellow gold. And last we have this black shade from Untamed. This one is pretty dry in the pan. And on top we have this black and gold shade. Okay, so there are the second set of 4 shades. Alright, so there are the colors from the Maybelline Python Metallic Lip Kits. Of course, I need to reserve actual judgment until I test these on the lips and wear them throughout the day, but here are my first impressions. The base color formula seems a little strange. I don't know, the texture is both balmy and slightly powdery feeling, and I don't expect them to really apply in a, you know, creamy, smooth, gliding way. They also don't seem to be the kind of they seem to be the kind of formula that would smear pretty easily. In terms of the metallic top coats, I guess I came into this expecting that the metallic powders would be more of a transforming top coat, but actually what they are more opaque, just complete toppers, meaning that they pretty much cover up whatever the shade is underneath. Not that the shade underneath doesn't make a difference, but I guess I was expecting, and I think I would have liked something with a top coat that was actually more sheer, so that it was a combination of the metallic shimmer and the color underneath, if that makes sense. So those are my first impressions. I think definitely some of the shades are not smooth in pigmentation, in particular Snakebite and probably the black shade in Untamed, so those green and black shades. So again, we'll see how they sort of look in the photos and how they wear throughout the day. Let me know if you've played around with any of these or tested them, what your experience has been and what your thoughts are. Definitely something that's more for like a party or a statement as opposed to every day, with maybe 1 or 2 exceptions from the kits. But again, I'd be interested in what you think of these. I hope this video was helpful and that you enjoyed watching it. As always, thank you for taking the time to watch, and I'll see you in the next video.